appreciate what you're doing in the industry.
Thank you so much.
Initiatives around women empowerment in Wade Asia, and wonderful work that you do with women empowerment. We always keep them in mind when we design any product.
Your journey, okay, because I've seen that you have got 19 years of experience in this group. You have seen this group and you have evolved with this group, right? So if you can take us through your journey with Welspun.
Sure.
Since the 19 years, how did it start? What was your background, and how did you slowly, scale up, and how did the company scale up together?
Sure. So this goes back to 2001. I'm a textile engineer. My family has been in textile business since generations. So sort of a textile family. And Welspun was one of the growing companies into home textiles. 2001, after I finished my engineering, I had to fight with my dad to allow me work somewhere else for at least 6 months.
Okay.
Came to Bombay looking for few opportunities. Had very specific things in my mind. Wanted to focus on the business side because I'm from Ichalkaranji. So Ichalkaranji is a small textile town just outside of Kolhapur. So it's 3 or 5 down south Pune. So I knew all about manufacturing. I knew about material. I've been working with my dad during my spare time, but wanted to learn about business, and hence, instead of picking up any opportunities in campus interview, came to Bombay looking for jobs. It was one of the strugglers. Was a struggler, and came into Bombay without any contacts, nothing. I just knocking the doors wherever possible, and Welspun happened. I was lucky enough to get that break in Welspun. Since then, it has been no looking back essentially. So I was the only textile engineer back then in the sales department. So sales and marketing, I was the only textile engineer. So that sort of became my strength. I could take on questions from the buyers, resolve their queries in a shortest possible time.
You got into that, okay? The call was already there, and it was as if a marriage was it was certain, and it was just the time that it was taking to make it happen.
It's been 19 years, so certainly it seems like rather than a marriage, I would say sort of feel like part of a family. When I left textiles, we were $1 billion company. So from 600 crores to about 6,500 crores. 15 years, we grew almost 15 times. Just to give you a glimpse of my team, when I shifted from textiles to flooring, my average age I had 80 people working for global sales in my team, and average age in Welspun for that team was at least 10 years. Welspun has that knack, people stay longer, and it's not the company wherein you can go ahead and relax. It's a lot of energy in the environment. Like I mentioned, 15 years we almost grew like 15 times.
15 times, yeah. So I'm just correlating this average years of 10 years and then 15 years, 15 times connects, it connects. Yeah.
So it's not a place wherein voting for a company wherein you go and you are set for life, you relax, and the companies that are at slow pace, and you can spend your life. Here it creates that energy in you that you want to build your life with the company. So that kind of environment. And when I express, I'm done with sales at sort of 14 years. I want to add more value in other fields and also shape up my career from that point of view, become a holistic leader rather than just a business development leader and strategy leader. And that's when flooring opportunity came. I was entrusted with the responsibility of conceptualizing flooring. This was completely unventured, so it was not the field that we had ever looked at. Then Welspun was in textiles, we were in pipes, and we were in infrastructure. And flooring was never there on the radar. It's just that we saw the opportunity and we went for it. So I was interested with the responsibility of conceptualizing, setting up a factory, and then head the business. So it's been about 3.5 years. I've been working on it, and today we realize the dream of one of the best manufacturing facilities and one of the best flooring positioning in the market. Now we are on to our next dream, to make this a preferred choice for Indian as well as international customers when it comes to flooring solutions. India had moved ahead when new build was concerned, but somehow flooring stayed the same for years and years. In multiple cities, spoke to almost about 1,000 consumers, understanding what they go through when they go through their renovations or when they are building their own house. Part of it was also my own experience. During the same time I was building my own house, contractors who committed me that they will be done in 2 months, they couldn't finish the job even after 6 months. Eventually, I had to kick them out, literally. Just no end to the work that was going on and delays and things like that. That was when light bulb clicked, and we knew this is what we want to make sure. Whatever we venture into, we have to make sure this part is convenient to the customer. And so far, things have been wonderful, and we have already touched our pre-COVID levels as far as sales is concerned.
Whether so what kind of acceptance that you are getting, and which regions are performing better?
So right now, so 85% of our installations are being done in less than a day. So we are keeping a track of it. And our Hyderabad, Bangalore market were the early adopters for us. Delhi and Bombay are doing pretty good. And southern region is doing much. Southern and western region is doing much better compared to north and eastern. Manufacturing side, we also made sure our entire supply chain, they're able to make sure there are COVID incidences, and the supply chain itself, right from our vendors to our dealers, are COVID safe. Few architects mentioned it would be great if you can ship a pack of a sanitizer along with every sample that you send. We developed a packaging which is a COVID safe packaging. You have to remote, throw it away, and then it's a brand new package, so you don't have to store samples for 2 days just to ensure it is safe. So we are able to work through that. On the consumer side, we in fact develop a touchless installation. So to our surprise, we found out our demand for products, our likeness of the product went up during the COVID time, because we were the only brand who could do the job in less than a day. So we will not be in your home more than 8 hours. Versus if you want to do flooring with other brands, they will be in your home for 15 to 20 days, which obviously nobody wants during the COVID time. It's actually almost 60-40 at the moment, 60 retail and 40 projects.
I see. Okay.
But this will flip by the end of the year. We'll be doing 60 projects, 40 retail. So we have about 500 dealer outlets. By end of this financial year, we will be 1,200 dealer outlets.
1,200. And which are the regions you are mostly concentrated?
This is top 40 cities in the country.
Okay.
We cover all states, top 40 cities in the countries. Of course, Bombay, Delhi come into picture, but tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well.
So both north and south?
All pan-India. So pan-India coverage. We are there in
even in the eastern part also?
Absolutely. Headquartered out of Kolkata for the eastern region. We are in Guwahati, we are there in Nagaland, we are there in Bhutan, we are there in Nepal, Orissa. So right now network is set up for servicing pan-India customers.
So what about the installers? So the installers are company installers over there, or your distributors and all are taking care, or they are getting trained, or how are they doing it?
So we have trained about 2,000 installers already.
Okay.
These are not on the rolls of the company, but these are essentially in order somebody wants to do the flooring, so there's an option available. We have 2,000 installers, but we also have about 50 installers on company rolls, and by end of the year we'll have about 300 installers on the company rolls. Carpet is one product in the room that takes a lot of time to dry. So now with antiviral products that we have been able to offer, essentially kills all the human coronaviruses on the surface within 2 hours.
Okay, so what's the technology behind?
It's we partnered with a Sweden-based company, and it essentially breaks up the outer lipid layer of the virus.
Okay.
It doesn't last anymore. So success rate of 99.9% of the viruses get killed. Again, we are the only carpet company in the world to have launched this product. And on top of it, we also started looking at how we can ensure customers don't have to leave the house in order to choose the floor.
Okay.
So we have started working towards. So today you can design your own floor on our website.
Okay.
We'll send the sales guy to your home to get the physical pieces. You don't have to go out of your home, and they will come like they've come in from hospital. So all our sales guys passionately come with full body protective equipment gear. On top of it, we have an app through which you can see our flooring in your home environment. So it's an augmented reality based app. So you don't have to visualize how it will look. It will literally show you our flooring. Depending on the choice you make, you can swipe through to an app and see what kind of flooring suits your home environment in real time. Being an export player, it always is a moment wherein made in India products are being sold to countries like US, countries like UK, and by the time it reached $1 billion, every fifth towel sold in US is Welspun. Every third towel in UK is Welspun towel, and same goes with the sheets in bathroom. So it's been like that, and we are on our journey to do the same thing and achieve the same heights in flooring as well. We didn't want it to, Welspun has never ventured into a business to become a Me Too player. And yes, you have 10 players in the country and we are the 11th. That's never the intention. Every business we have been in, we always strive to become a leader, at least reach among top 5 in the world. If we see the vision for something like that, we get into that business. Otherwise, we stay away from that business. Because our tiles stick to each other, there's no reason for grouting. They're practically seamless. If you lay on a marble design from a flooring, you will feel like it will look like the entire floor is one marble piece. That comes into play, and in case you want to change the floor, the way we can lay the floor in one day, we can remove the floor in one day. It's like your furniture. You can take it with you. Okay. Even to a point, furniture being a bulky, unless it's a modular furniture from IKEA, very bulky. This you can pack it in boxes, and boxes are very light. Flooring is very light, so our flooring is only 4 mm in thickness, wherein vitrified tiles are anywhere from 8 mm to 12 mm in thickness. And since we are able to mold and lock, we have polymer. In the flooring, it makes even stronger compared to a 8 mm or 12 mm typical vitrified tile.
So if some of the flooring pieces are damaged, then is it easy to replace? How is it how is it done? Because every time 15.
It's absolutely so. You can uninstall it up to that particular tile, replace it with a new, install it again.
Okay.
It's the entire design of the business model has been around consumer convenience. All of it. So, and we are able to offer wooden designs. We are able to offer stone, marble, and granite designs, as well as we are able to offer fabric textures, leather textures, Moroccan tile designs and textures. So, absolutely. In our case, wooden flooring is 100% waterproof. We guarantee no bubbles will come no matter what. Okay. On top of it, even if it's to a point that if your room floods, you can uninstall the flooring, dry it up, either on the terrace or with the hair dryer, and install it again.
Okay. So can someone do it themselves, or they have to call again the experts to lay the flooring?
It certainly can be done by people. Again, US and Europe, people do it themselves, but India is notorious. We don't like to do things ourselves.
It's not yet a DIY, kind of a market.
Not in India, yes. Not yet. improvement in terms of penetration, in terms of customers. So we also track how many customers we are getting are for renovation and how many customers are new build. If you look at flooring industry, 90% of the flooring industry services to new build, only 10% services to renovation. This is historic before Welspun came in. And the reasons are pretty much there in front of us, because nobody likes to rip apart flooring. It's a tedious job. I have spoken to people who have got married twice, but they'll never dare to do flooring twice in their life.
So may I guess, is it something that you want to change that equation?
So now we are at 50-50.
Okay.
So 45-45. So 45% renovation and 55 new build.
So 50-50 is a good achievement, actually. It's a very good achievement, I would say, you know, in terms of like, even if I have to think, if I have to think I have to change my flooring, my goodness, I still can't think. I still can't think.
But we can take care of it. So we always tell our customers, if you have a marriage next week, we can do your flooring before your marriage in the house.